Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get this Halloween filter in Instagram. So we are in the Instagram effect gallery, and Instagram have different categories for this filter. So most likely this Halloween filter will be in weird and scary category. So let's go there, and you have to look for the filter here, but I can't scroll more and I am seeing only this much filter. And if you are having the same problem, you can't see all the filter in the gallery, then to find this Halloween filter you can go to my profile, and I have different categories for filter. Here you can look for Halloween. The Halloween filter are here in this category. Browse them, and if you want to use them, on the top of the screen you can see this filter name and the creator name. You can tap there and this pop-up will come. From here you can try this filter or save this filter to your camera. Okay, so let's check all the filter. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can go to this Halloween highlights and you can get all this filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.